Can I ask your name?
Of course, my name is Alex.
Where are you from originally?
I am originally from Brazil.
What do you do for work?
I am a graphic designer.
How is your day going?
It has been a good day.
Do you speak English well?
I am still learning every day.
What is the weather like?
It is sunny and warm today.
How old are you now?
I am 25 years old.
Do you live in a house?
No, I live in an apartment.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Are you having a busy week?
This week has been very busy.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first visit.
Do you have any children?
I do not have any children.
Can you spell your name?
Yes, it is spelled Alex.
What is your phone number?
I can write it down for you.
How long have you been here?
I have been here for a year.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had coffee and a bagel.
Are you feeling tired today?
I am feeling a little tired.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it very much.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is dark blue.
How was your weekend trip?
The weekend was very relaxing.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It is 2:30 now.
Where is the nearest bank?
The bank is around the corner.
How much does this item cost?
This item costs $10.
Could you repeat that, please?
I said let's go for lunch.
How do I find the station?
Go straight and then turn left.
Is there a restroom nearby?
The restroom is on your right.
What does this word mean?
Let me look it up for you.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, what do you need help with?
When does the store close?
The store closes at 9 p.m.
Do you have this in blue?
Let me check our stock now.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
The password is on the wall.
How far is it from here?
It's about a 5-minute walk.
Is this the right bus?
Yes, this bus goes downtown.
Can I try this on now?
The fitting rooms are over there.
Do you accept credit cards here?
We accept all major credit cards.
What is today's date, please?
Today is October the 26th.
Who is in charge here?
The manager is in the office.
Why is the store closed now?
It is a national holiday today.
Can I have a plastic bag?
Of course, here you go now.
Where can I park my car?
There is a parking lot behind.
What are your hobbies now?
I like reading and playing sports.
Do you have any pets?
I have a cat named Whiskers.
What kind of movies you like?
I enjoy watching comedy movies.
How often do you exercise?
I go to the gym weekly.
What's your favorite type of food?
I absolutely love Italian food.
Are you a morning person?
No, I am a night owl.
Did you see last night's game?
Yes, it was an amazing game.
What are you doing this weekend?
I am meeting up with friends.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I much prefer the summer weather.
Have you ever been to Canada?
No, I have never been there.
What do you do for fun?
I like to go for walks.
Can you recommend a good book?
You should read this new novel.
Do you cook your own meals?
I cook most of my meals.
Are you close with your family?
Yes, my family is very close.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a writer.
Do you listen to any podcasts?
I listen to them every day.
How do you know each other?
We work at the same company.
What makes you happy in life?
Spending quality time with my family.
Are you learning any new skills?
I am learning to play piano.
Where did you go on vacation?
We went to the beach last summer.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink coffee every single morning.
What is your biggest fear?
I am very afraid of spiders.
How do you relax after work?
I watch TV or read a book.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is named Maria.
Have you been to a concert?
Yes, I saw one last month.
Do you like to go dancing?
I am not a great dancer.
What was your first job ever?
I worked at a coffee shop.
Do you play video games?
I sometimes play on the weekends.
What are you allergic to?
I am allergic to some nuts.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
What do you think about this?
I think it's a wonderful idea.
Are you ready to go now?
I need 5 more minutes, please.
Do you want to join us?
I would love to join you.
Should we order some food now?
Yes, I am getting very hungry.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go right now.
Did you understand the instructions?
Yes, I understood everything clearly.
Do you agree with that statement?
I don't completely agree with it.
What should we do this evening?
We could watch a movie at home.
Can you give me a ride?
Of course, where are you going?
Do you mind if I open this?
No, go ahead, that's fine.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I have to work all day.
Did you finish all your work?
I still have a little left.
Can you speak a bit slower?
Of course, I can speak slower.
Do you need anything from store?
Can you get a carton of milk?
When should we meet up again?
How about next week sometime?
Did you call your parents?
I will call them later tonight.
What is your personal opinion?
In my opinion, it is too expensive.
Are you coming to the party?
I don't think I can make it.
Is everything okay with you?
Everything is fine, thank you.
Can I make a quick suggestion?
Please, I am open to ideas.
Should I wait for you here?
I will be back in 10 minutes.
Did you remember to lock door?
Yes, I locked it when I left.
How did you learn about this?
I saw it on the news.
Can we talk about this later?
Yes, now is not a good time.
Do you think it will rain?
The sky looks very dark now.
Are you sure about that information?
I am 100% sure.
Have you decided what to get?
I will have the chicken salad.
Who told you that interesting news?
A friend told me about it.
Can you do me a favor?
It depends on what it is.
What will you do this summer?
I am planning a trip abroad.